Have you ever asked yourself how farmers increase the productivity of their beef cattle herd? You should be interested with this question because the better a farmer's beef cattle operation produces, the better the meat quality is when you go to buy it in the store. Crossbreeding is an essential management practice that combines the best traits of two animals into one animal. To understand how crossbreeding works in beef cattle, we will talk about how crossbreeding the process works and why farmers choose to use this management practice. The three main ways through which the practice of crossbreeding happens in beef cattle are through a two-breed rotational cross, rotating breeds of sire, and the use of artificial insemination, or AI. According to VCE Publications, an article written by animal scientist Scott Grenier, a two-breed rotational cross is a simple and popular form of crossbreeding. In this system, two breeds are mated, and the offspring, if it is female, is kept as a replacement cow for the farm and bred back to one of the previous breeds. And the next generations to come from this breed mix, the next females are then bred to yet a different sire of different genetics. For producers with single sire herds, the rotating of breeds of sire is a crossbreeding practice recommended to take place every 3 to 4 years. In doing this, the farmer takes their original herd sire bull and replaces him with one of a different breed or of more desirable genetics than the last one. The use of artificial insemination uses the semen of the desired bull with the cow cross the farmer is trying to make. With this practice, there is no need for more cows or bulls. This practice keeps the cattle herd on a smaller scale and uses a more localized approach for specific breeding traits. Now that we understand how crossbreeding works, I will talk about why farmers use this practice. Farmers use crossbreeding to give hybrid vigor to their cattle herd and to utilize breed complementary. The Research Institute, The Advantages of Crossbreeding article states that hybrid vigor, which is called heterotosis, is the outcome the offspring portrays from the cross that was made to get the baby at birth. From the cross, the baby shows hybrid vigor, meaning it received the best traits from both parents when the cross ended up happening. That means the calf can be bred to portray traits of gaining weight easier or having desirable traits for milking or being a good herd cow meaning a good mommy. Breeding for hybrid vigor also can give the outcome of better meat marbling when the calf reaches its finishing slaughter weight stage, meaning its meat quality is going to be good and that's what you're going to be getting in the store. Breed complementary allows for the farmer or breeder to capitalize on more than just one breeding trait. An example of this would come from Project Proves Profitability of Hereford Angus Crosses. This is an article written about a farm in Missouri that did tests about a Hereford Angus cattle cross. The farm got results from the breeding about better weight gains and better cow genetic studies than just plain Angus bred cows alone. And as an example of this, here is the actual farm study that they did, and they talk about how breeding with Hereford and Angus together gave them better cows and better slaughter animals and everything. Again, crossbreeding is an essential management practice that combines the best traits of two animals into one animal. To understand crossbreeding, we looked at the process of how crossbreeding works and why farmers choose to use this practice. Did you ever realize so much management from the farmer went into producing the best quality of cow and meat? Thank you.